If your WordPress workflows still relies on copy-paste, you are doing it the old way. AI can do much more. Hi everyone, I am Ganesh and in this video, I am going to show you how you can completely transform your WordPress workflows using AI. Imagine being able to remove spam comments, fix security issues, and manage your website all directly through AI without constantly switching tabs. This is now possible with tools like Claude Desktop and Claude Code CLI. So now let me show you the steps on how to set up these AI tools. Before we begin, make sure you have an active InstaWP account along with Claude Desktop and Claude Code with at least a Pro subscription. With InstaWP, you can quickly launch a WordPress website and connect it with AI tools such as Claude Desktop and Claude Code without dealing with hosting setup, database credentials, or local tunneling, making it perfect for quick testing and automating workflows. Once you have the prerequisites sorted, navigate to your InstaWP dashboard. If it's your first time using InstaWP, create a new site, and if you already have a running site in InstaWP, open it. Inside your site details, find the MCP option in the sidebar and toggle it on. This automatically installs the MCP connector plugin and sets up the secure authentication layer in the background. Instead of dealing with plugins, APIs, and complex setups, InstaWP provides you cloud-based WordPress environment with built-in MCP support. Now copy the MCP connection URL directly from the InstaWP dashboard. Now head over to the Claude Desktop, go to Settings and find the Connectors section. Click on Add Custom Connectors, name it, and paste the MCP URL you copied from InstaWP. Authorize the connection when prompted. Once approved, Claude Desktop can now securely communicate with your WordPress website through the MCP server. From here, you can start by giving commands directly from the Claude. For example, install the Yoast SEO plugin on my website, and Claude will process the request and installs the plugin automatically. Now if you're a developer who prefers working from the terminal, you can also connect your WordPress website to the Claude Code CLI. First, open the command prompt and install Claude Code using the official installation command. Once the installation is complete, authorize the connection when prompted. To connect Claude Code to your WordPress website, run the following command replacing MCP_URL with the MCP connection URL which you have copied from the InstaWP dashboard. Once the MCP connection is added, close the terminal and restart the Claude Code so that the new MCP connection can be applied. And now you can run a command like list the caching or performance related plugins installed on my site. Claude will instantly fetch the data from your WordPress website through the MCP connection. When it comes to building AI-powered WordPress workflows, InstaWP makes setting up an MCP server simple for tools like Claude or ChatGPT. Let me show you why. Number 1. Instant MCP URL. InstaWP generates the MCP URL in a single click, which can be used to connect the AI tools in seconds. Number 2. No local server hassle. With manual MCP setups, you often need to run local servers or scripts. InstaWP handles all of that in the background. Number 3. Faster integration. Instead of configuring files and dependencies, you can connect the AI tools to your WordPress website and start using it almost instantly. Number 4. Beginner friendly. Even if you are not a developer, InstaWP makes it easy to connect AI to your WordPress website without any complex setup. And that's how you connect Claude Desktop and Claude Code to your WordPress websites using InstaWP. With everything connected, you're not just using AI tools for WordPress, you can actually run real WordPress tasks using plain English prompts. This means AI can handle all the busy work while you focus on building projects. And this is just the beginning. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore how WordPress agency owners and developers can use Claude and InstaWP from managing websites to automating everyday developmental tasks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.